Hi everyone, my name is Sarah Barnhart and I'm going to be your instructor for the Teaching Online course for December and January. And I just wanted to welcome you to the course and to go over a little bit of the course components. So I'm sure all of you are very familiar with Blackboard, and so you know that on this left-hand side is our course menu bar. And the usual items are here, announcements, and so I'll be posting announcements on a pretty regular basis. We have the Getting Started section, and there's a document to read before you start. And I would suggest paying particular attention to the important course documents because underneath here you have your syllabus, our schedule with all the due dates, and the grading rubrics. Then you can read a little bit about me under instructor information. The syllabus is over here as well as under important course documents. And for this course, we will have 5 learning modules that you will be working through. We're going to start with introductions and then student motivation. What I like about this course is it says in the online classroom, but I think you're going to find that many of the things that we learn here or that we talk about can also be used in a face-to-face class, as well as just the Blackboard component in a face-to-face class. So I think you'll find a lot of the information useful across the board. To make it easy for you to find your assignments, there's a separate page for the assignments here. And then there's another page that will have the assessments, which you will have 3 of. These are quizzes. We have a discussion board, and in the discussion board, there are questions that you can ask the instructor. And so if it's not personal, I would ask that you put your question here versus sending me a message because maybe someone else has the same question and that way everyone can see it. Also, if you know the answer to a question, you may feel free to help your colleagues by answering the question. We have a cyber cafe where you might want to interact or get to talk about some things besides just online. And then we have other activities through the discussion boards here also. And then finally, there's the journal section. And so we will have 3 journals throughout the semester. This is course messages. As you may be familiar with Blackboard, course messages are internal to Blackboard, so that means that they stay within Blackboard. You may also email me at my CCBC email. I would reserve these for something that are more personal in nature that you don't want everyone in the course to see. But again, if it's a question that is about the course itself, please place it under discussion board, ask the instructor. And then we have some useful web links in case you need some additional information. So I'm looking forward to working with you, and please don't hesitate to reach out and we'll be working with this together.